Yeah, that's nice. Why'd you need to move over to the left? You don't have to do that. Oh, uh-oh. Exit dive. Yeah, I'm back in Rochester. Red light, run.
Mashing up music that was already made. We're out of ideas.
Nice cut off. Toilet turd.
My wife's fucking car. But all men are created equal and endowed by the Creator with certain
nice cut off.
rights. And among these are life,
Well, those
liberty,
lights. Yeah, you're tied for the left turn lane. I'm going to count that.
Another is supposed to be, whose meaningless chatter has replaced communicative speech, whose synthetic smile has replaced
red light, run.
And whose
Mercedes
despair was taking the place.
I've watched the video. I don't know how this video for very,
no stop.
very proudly voting a non-binding resolution that was just like, we don't like.
Oh, almost nice cut off. I mean, it's not exactly necessary to merge to the center lane right now. I mean, I have to get all the way to the left eventually, but I'm not in no hurry to do it, so I don't know why you have to. You didn't have to move that far over. Really?
Leave on a high note. So here's Margaret in her own words on the subject. Well,
Nice cut off.
maybe it was because I was living so close to the lake.
Reported on things that with the coronavirus. God, that was amazing. Anyway, time for some episode of nothing.
Nice cut off.
I rubber he's glue.
Oh.
Nope.
I mean, any replies to that, Doctor?
I'll bounce off.
But they already have security. So, what is that?
Nice cut off.
Well, Robinson, right after the death of Edward Confessor, basic box.
I guess it actually does. It's not.
Okay, but why wouldn't you at least put air?
Nice cut off.
Yes, thank you. Need air. He's never.
Hello and welcome to Citation Needed, a podcast where we choose a
Nice
subject,
cut off again.
article
Nissan
about
driver.
media, and we're experts. Tom, let's get right into it. What person, place, thing, concept, phenomenon, or
Gee,
event?
what's up
We're
with
gonna
people
talk about
cutting
that.
people out?
Today we are going to be talking
Stop
about
it!
Christmas fail. Just
Like you didn't have to hit the brakes, otherwise you'd be in the video too.
fantastic. Great way to...
Well, I put those kids in there for a reason. It's not because I'm interested in what they have to say.
Nope.
All right. So once today threw his rise to power and through the war, and Sony would just, copy shit out of that book. And
It wasn't
and occasionally add little person
Dash lines yet.
Saw a cute poodle today or something like that.
Okay.
I wrote a haiku. So,
Yeah.
nice little Saturday. And entry. What the fuck's happening?
Side note, I googled Hitler's handwriting, and I no longer feel bad for making fun of goth kids in high school. It is obvious to me now, and I just prevented all of them from being...
Seriously, you were in such a huge hurry to pass me, and then you slow the fuck down. The fuck are you doing? Yeah, that's fucking weird. No stop.
Instead, Mesmer found that the real cure was effective because the priest unknowingly
You didn't. I stopped first.
their animal magnetism.
It's amazing how
Spectacular at it. He's so good at it. He's a whole flotilla of fucking dipshits doing cannonballs and drinking that fucking champagne beers. He'd have a great time. Everyone would be safe
Geese,
again.
really?
Perfect.
he's gonna get the Keystone Light to the city, you know.
Go back to Canada, you assholes.
Two other things.
He would occasionally take one of the young women into another room for more intensive private treatment.
Okay, I don't
No,
want to
stop.
call you out on the air.
Screwborough.
The last 4 minutes.
Really? Mess all left. Hey, was that from the center lane? I'm gonna check that.
Father left his mechanics tools to his son, but then when Mark came to collect them, his stepmother called the cops because the will wasn't
Red light,
finalized,
Ron.
and also she was a huge bitch.
Stab!
Sorry, what? No, hack! It's a hacking sword, not a stabbing sword. I finally lost the laugh.
Really? Why would you make that left turn?
To drown.
You never have enough trust.
And
True. Yeah. William didn't rush right over.
You need to use the center turn lane for these type of things.
Some people blame it on the weather. If William would give her Harold's dead body back, William refused, and he either
Really?
chucked it in the ocean or he buried it up a cliff nearby.
See, she should have. The more relevant the habits become. Why? What's the reason? Why would they become more relevant?
No stop.
It's because our problems and our pain.
Here's some of the highlights, starting with statement 1.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear!
Indulgence
Get out of the way!
instead of abstinence. And that's
Well, there's a small one.
eating and enjoying